tasty creature right there. Tasty creature. Well, if you want to explain what we're doing today. Hello everybody. We have another edition of the BuildWitt vlog today, coming to you from Astoria, Oregon. We flew in last night, Matt and I, to Portland, drove out to Astoria, stayed the night out here near Astoria, Warrington, I don't even know where we just slept. And we're here because they're building a jetty, rebuilding a jetty at the mouth of the Columbia River that separates Oregon and Washington, I think it is. It might not, but I think it does. McAmis is the company. Reached out to them because I saw they had a very, very unique machine. They have a 6020B that they've modified to set jetty stone. It has a long boom and a long stick. It is a gnarly looking machine. I've been looking forward to seeing this thing for a year now, since I last saw its debut online. And I've just been waiting for the opportunity to get out here and check it out. So we're driving into Fort Stevens State Park. They're at the end of the state park. Should be very beautiful. We should be right on the water all day today with this big old machine setting big old rocks. Fun fact, when I was with BuildWitt making jetty stone, we were making jetty stone for a jetty on the opposite side of the river. So this project, BuildWitt bid on it. McAmis picked up the rest of the contracts, I believe, from the Army Corps. But this was the exact same work I was helping with when I was working with BuildWitt a few years ago up in Washington. So it should be a good day, very picturesque, probably lots of beautiful drone shots, and hopefully a lot of cool footage of this extraordinarily unique 6020. There's only one of them in the world, and here it is, so enjoy. Okay.
How's it going?
Good. We're here. This is wild.
Basically, and take this relic stone and get a bed started that's got the proper orientation so that the stones. So these guys travel all over the country taking pictures of elite equipment operators.
Elite, best of the best.
Yeah, this was just a terrible accident.
There's a lot of rock here that's honestly.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm thinking.
I was in the last one. I did a little montage of me eating. And then I get a comment. It's like, yeah, my burnt waffles. I was like, okay, I'm not being in on the vlog, Jim.
People are not nice.
I don't.
Okay, we're out here at the South Jetty, mouth of the Columbia River. The project is basically reconstructing the existing jetty. So this existing jetty's been out here. The jetty was built a very long time ago, and it was primarily to keep the sediment in the channel in the river open so that they can use it for ship traffic in and out. So that's why they built it originally. Right now, as the water's pounded and pounded and pounded this thing, all the rocks have started to shift and it started to erode. So they're taking another 400,000 tons of stone from up in Washington at a quarry in Oregon. They're bringing it in by barge. They're hauling it by haul truck out to the jetty, and they're placing all the new stone all down the jetty. They can't work year round because of weather. So during the summer months, they typically work around, 7 days a week is I think the schedule now, to get as much stone set before they have to demobilize in the winter. And they take their equipment back to their yard, do maintenance, and completely stop work out here in the winter months while the storms and everything come through here. So I think right now it's the year 2021, and they said they'll potentially be out here till 2024, placing 400,000 tons of rock. And as you'll see in the footage, it's not as simple as just throwing rocks at this thing either. It's a very complex puzzle, and there's a gradation to this, and every rock has a weight painted on it. They need a certain amount of each different type of rock. All the rocks are placed in a certain way. It's an art form, and I've actually never seen it done before. I have made jetty stone, but I've never seen it set until today. So that's what we're doing today. Big 6020B was custom built by Caterpillar Peterson Cat for this project. So it's a highly specialized machine, custom boom, custom stick, 60/30 cylinders on a 60/20. Everything about it is very specialized specifically for this application, which I find fascinating. Behind me looks like there's a HITACHI 750 and a 1200, and then they have 988s over there, organizing the stones, loading them into 769s. The 769s are hauling it out to the jetty. So I think that's the overall gist. Oh, also, he doesn't know what windows are. Right?
Shut up. We don't need to talk about it.
He slept downstairs on the couch last night because his bedroom was too warm. The house didn't have air conditioning. And I was like, well, you didn't open a window? He's like, oh, yeah.
I live in Texas.
Hard to get all this neatness in one location, eh?
What do you think, Matt?
It's all right.
Everybody, Matt's missing vacation right now to be here.
That's because we have this at BuildWitt, we have an unlimited PTO policy. Unlimited paid time on.